So this is the first time that I will be trying a sleek high ponytail on myself. The products that I will be using are Shine & Jam 24-hour Edge Tamer. I like this in combination with my edges. I feel like it just lasts longer. Eco Styler Gel with olive oil. Mad Scrunchies. I have mad styling tools. I have this brush, this to slick everything down, this broken rat tail comb just because I love to part with this end, a denim brush, and an edge brush, and I think that has covered everything. Let's get started. My hair has been moisturized and all that good stuff. I have super thick hair, so to start off, I'm just going to part everything and I'll be right back. I parted my hair into up here as well as back here. I have this beautiful stuff. Doesn't it look so good? Let's get into it. Also have this edge control, and I like it because it's black and it darkens up your edges. First things first, I'm gonna go in with the Shine & Jam. Now I'm going to lay it down with the 24-hour Edge Tamer. Taking the 24-hour Edge Tamer, spread it all over my hands and lay everything down. So I decided I'm going to use the Cream of Nature styling mousse just to set it all off. Now I'm going to take one styling strip. Now as far as the puff goes, I am going to break it up in sections and do some twists. I have 4 of them, and I'm just going to take a scrunchie. I'm going to take another strip and place that here. All right, so hopefully everything comes out bomb. I'm gonna place my silk scarf on here. I am going to do my makeup, put on my outfit, and I'll be back. All right guys, so I am back. I have done my makeup, got ready, and all that good stuff. So let's see how everything is looking. All right now. I'm literally like in a rush to get out of here and go to dinner, but the ponytail that I'll be using is the Model drawstring ponytail. The style is Peach Girl. Color is natural, or no, it's 1B. And this is her. There are clips in there, the drawstring. Don't mind the deodorant. I feel like a new person. Whoa. Fun fact, I've never had a ponytail. I gotta do the bottom clip. Let's see if I like it to the side. Ooh. The side is giving me life though. What do y'all think? Should I leave it like this, or to the side? I'll put it on the side. I have to mix my foundation a little bit up here because, yeah, so give me 1 second. If I'm being honest, I feel like the edge control faded a little bit, so I'm going to add a little bit more of that. This side is okay, but the other side is like, what happened? You guys, I literally almost left without recording the ending. But this is the final look. What do y'all think? I'm loving it. Okay. So if you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, share the video. Until next time.